Prepare your hands. Actually, okay. I just want to share my screen. Let me share first. And there we go. Okay. So our presentation was the last night we did about the Starbucks or the something like digital marketing plan, whatever we do in the last night, all of us do, but going through the like it's online face to face, something like that, then I'm here to be done like a Starbucks. And our presentation is based on the Starbucks digital marketing plan. And now we all know that the Starbucks is one of the most popular kind of stall or market, in the US actually, and in the Germany and overall, there are in the European country, there are in so many places we have seen Starbucks as well. So it's a huge market over there, out there as well. And so our we have a team members in this presentation as well. And those team members are like Isaac Miller, Brandon Saindier, and I'm Loxman Sai. As you see my name over here, then I'm going to start my presentation. Okay, so at the first, why digital marketing is important for Starbucks? At first, Starbucks is a one kind of online platform. Yeah, as you all know, and this is digital world where we can go through the market. We don't need to like that, but like this is a mobile app or this is the 21st century, then we know about the mobile, all the function in the mobile. Then we go through the one click, all the order we need to be delivered to our home directly. So it's a very easier, comfortable, and faster way to order something through the mobile app. Yeah. So that's why is digital marketing important for Starbucks? I'm going through it. Like it's because of Starbucks has a strong digital presence and needs innovation to stay competitive. As they talk, Starbucks has a digital preference and needs innovation to stay competitive. And there are too many competitors to like the McDonald's and other on the store sector as well. But Starbucks is one of the most innovative as well. And the another one is customer behavior are shifting toward mobile ordering and personalization. Nowadays, customers need more and more easier things to do, as you all know. And the little child of now are going to the mobile. They need mobile laptop to do anything. They just play games or whatever in their phone, and we see all over there. So that's why the customer behavior is more important in the digital marketing as well. So, and the last one is this plan aims to enhance the Starbucks digital strategy to drive customers, loyalty, and revenue. As we know about, the plan aims to enhance Starbucks. Where, if we start such kind of business, we have a more plan as we talk, whatever. Like as if we Starbucks, where do we need to open the store? What the place? What the time? What about the location? What about the surrounding environment? So all we need, and if we need a employee or something over in the Starbucks, we need to like our loyalty is most important thing, and the trust and the revenue. We also know about the revenue of monthly income or the something like that, because if we need to success in our business, we need to take care of all those things in the back end. So that's why digital marketing is important for Starbucks too. And the next one is company information. If you start a soft business, not only Starbucks, if you run McDonald's, Amazon, or soft business, soft kind of business, we already have the backward information for the through the since the years to for the year. Is we need all of the information have to be used. So that's why like its overview is the Starbucks was founded in 1971, and you see over here picture as well for the number of Starbucks store globally. And the first one is United States. As you see here, 6,411. So it's a huge in the United States as well. And the South in the South Korea too, Mexico, United Kingdom, Turkey, Taiwan, Indonesia, Canada, Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, India, Hong Kong. Look, there are too many. Like us, there are 15 countries where the Starbucks sells their product as well. So the Starbucks was mainly founded in 1971 and over 38,000 locations globally. It's a huge, it's a huge, and the digital channel like is so Starbucks reward app with over 50 million active user globally, and it's a very, very vast things to do. Yeah, we know about it. In the globally, we have around the 38,000 globally in the whole country. Then it's about the reward, the 50 million active. It's crazy too. Has an active presence on social media. Of course, this is digital world, as you all know, and our course is also on the based on the digital marketing. So from that, this Starbucks is more focused on the digital world too. And another one is mobile order and pay service leading US sales. Yeah, that's exactly, yeah, that one is a good one as well. Because if we do any kind of search in the mobile phone or there are too many ads come through when you look any video like that. So if you go through the mobile app and we download it and if we serve it or if we grab it the opportunity to get the one, then we get a reward too. Then it sells digital marketing. There are too many people use digital marketing or mobile phone, then it's may use in a budget as well. So it's generates revenue in sales in the United States too. So, not only that, but here are some current challenges of Starbucks too, like as Dunkin' Donuts and McDonald's competition. Yeah, as you all know, if you go through the business, there are too many competitors over you, but you have to do different thing like that. So that's why they are the competitors as well. So another one is global app function consistency. Yeah, exactly. That one also the good one. And the last one is declining social media engagement. Yeah, some other people have the not more knowledge and they just like to walk through and go through it. So it's a bit problem for the digital marketing if we go through like that. So the another one is strategic objective maps. And as you see on the picture as well is the Starbucks map, like kind of logo as well. So the objective are like as increase digital engagement by 20% in a year. Yeah, that's great as well. And how it map is like as it aligned with the Starbucks mission to deliver exceptional customer experience and the enhanced competitive advantage through technology and innovation. And as you all know about the digital world, make have the same thing on a competitor as well as which is the advantage the technology and innovations as you know on the hand-on experience like as if you go through the mobile app and the different sites of ads which we need to pay, we go through directly on the store or through the social media platform, any platforms, then this is the map, and we all know about the Google Map in mobile phone as well. If you just send it the location about that, the exact location will be shown on the phone as well. So, and the last one is department responsible, like as the digital marketing team, IT department, and customer experience team. Yeah, sort of the factor on the each store are separated by for the all of the name, and as well it's like as a department team is good on it as well. And the one is strategic objective data, and where you need the data. And data needed. User behavior in Starbucks reward app. Yeah, data is obviously over there. And engagement rates on social media platform. Yeah, which we gain more. This like as one kind of feedback also for owners or the staff over there who work in Starbucks too. And the one is sales data for mobile orders. Yeah, that also good for the purpose as well too. Perspective of a business person or a Starbucks seller as well. And the one is prospered additions like as AI driven insight on app navigation. Yeah, as you all know that the AI is too fast and really good in this world as well. So if you go through the AI, they if you want to know anything about the Starbucks that not mentioned in the bio or something like that, then you go through AI, then you know everything, each and everything about the personal, the decoration of the Starbucks too. So you can go navigate the app as well. So that's the one. And the last one is feedback survey and customer experience. As you all know, feedback is the most important thing in the business because from the feedback we know to how to run and how to what to change and when to change. And the all are the and the experience are the best things to do in a business sector. The next one is strategy objective target matrix. Okay. So here are some target metrics like as setting clear targets, and here I go like as increase Starbucks rewards membership by 20% globally. Yeah, that's good as I mentioned in the above as well. Boost mobile app order by 15%. Yeah, look over here. It boosts mobile app by 15% as I told you. There are globally in a 38, 30, 15 to 38,000 globally worldwide, so it's will be obviously boosted by 15%. Yeah, that's good. And raise social media engagement by 30%. Yeah, as we talk. And decrease app related complaints by 10%. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to do, but it's one of the great to in the last one, that's a strategy objective goals. And in a business, we have goals too. If we start a business, we have, as we talk about all the set, the short term business, the long term business, what gonna be the problem, what our strength, weakness, and all the sort of it. So here are some short term goals as well. Launch app based campaign to attract new users. Yeah. Yeah, if you have the Starbucks app, then we need to launch it in a different way or the same one in a different way. But the same one is in different way is a good idea to attack campaign. If you like as the poster or the some campaign over there, then go through the email, content marketing, in some kind of influencer. Yeah, that's the good idea to run for short-term business. And the one is a partner with influencer to engage with new audience. Yeah, we have a partner too to influence man, like this digital one. There are TikTok as well, so where the people are going viral over the year, day by day we are using the. And so we go through the TikTok also if you want to, and then it might be a good for a business too, for the short-term goals as well. And some here are the long-term goals too, like as expand new feature for product customizations. Yeah, if you have the same features, like if you go through the app, you need to download and you need to go through the menu order. But if you do anything different, then it might be some kind of attractive as well. So it's gonna be on the long-term goal as. And another one is continue to update the Starbucks app to make it easier for people to use. Yeah, it's good for because it's in not only Starbucks, there are too many apps for digital world. And if you go through the app, we just they just send us a link, then we go through it. Then inside the link, we need to read all the thing, and we need to go another way also. But if we just need to something, then we just see or we just type, then if it automatically come into the disable data. Then we why do we need to go to the link or something like that? We need to OTP something like that. It's easier if you get a more comfortable app on it. So that's the point about it. And the one is current digital marketing plan. Yeah. So there are some strength and weakness as I mentioned above. So strength are like a strong app adoption in the US market. Yeah, obviously there are more than billions and millions of people over here who love to use the Starbucks and drink Starbucks too. So it's the strong app adoption in the US market and the engagement audience on platform like Instagram. Yeah, here are the Instagram in the US are too crazy as well. We know as some of the celebrities, the all the people in the United States are good enough to do this kind of strength on Starbucks as well. So not only strength, but there are also some of the weakness too, like as limited average in global market. Yeah, it's exactly. Some like in the United States, we don't need to pay for the Starbucks app to open the app or to download it. But in some other countries, like might be in um, some other countries, we need to pay for the app to download it. So we did a little bit exhausted for it to do. So it's like that limited app reach in global market. It doesn't reach some in the market as well. So like as on tap potential customer on social media platforms. So that's TikTok. As I told you, TikTok is a more influencer, but not only good thing in a TikTok, there are some of the bad things too going through the TikTok. So it might be a little bit difficult if you go through it, or but we can go through it. It's not a problem, but we must be look forward for what gonna be happen. How do we go? What to do? When to do? And like as for whom to do and for what to do. It all matters. So the other one is propose a revision to plan. Yeah. For the future innovations, like as expand TikTok presence by engaging in trends. Yeah. If you go to the trend in TikTok, there are too many things to go on it, and we can get a better rewards and the feedback from the members or the people on the TikTok as well. So another one is add gamification to the app to drive engagement. Yeah, where we can globally, as we talk about the global 30,000 people around the world who love to have the Starbucks as well. So if we go to the drive-through engagement, or if we can go to the stores, it better to be like as a leadership, personalizations, and that's great for the gamification to the app as well. And the last one is improve localization to app feature for global user. That's the good one also. as we talk about the in other country, like as the different overall the world, actually I don't have that knowledge, but yeah, in the other country, like we need to pay for the app to download it or to look for it. So it might be easier if we make something free, download free, something like that. So it's improve localization to app globally, as I talk about. And the one is conclusion, and at the end of the presentation, I would like to say that the conclusion is the most important thing in the business sector because of the like it's enhanced customer loyalty through continuous engagement. Yeah, that's the good ones to about the loyalty and trust we need to regain in the market and the expand Starbucks markets here globally. As I told you, we need to expand our business, not only Starbucks, but if you need a McDonald's or if you do the Amazon, if you do the Prime, you need to expand it globally because we're not looking for only in a country, we're looking for the whole over the world. So the other one is position Starbucks as a digital marketing leader. We have some of the person who can lead the market as well. It's only one person cannot lead the market, as I know, and as I think about it also. So we have to win a separate person for the separate sector and field too, because they can take care of their one field. As you go to the bank, there are some of the CEOs, one of the CEOs in the and the one of the advisor is another bank, and one of the sellers is sorry, customers is on the windows. So it's how it works. So I love to be say about it as an example. And the last one is need to approve this plan to stay ahead in the competitive market. Yeah, if you have to start a business, there are too many competitors, as I told you, the McDonald's, the Prime, the Amazon, whatever in the out there. So we need to approve from the government to do such kind of things. Yeah, I'm going to start the business. I need an appointment, and sorry, I need it approved. So where do can I start a business? Yeah, there are too many competitors, but if we think they are competitive, we don't quit because we go through it. We have to learn. They learn different thing, we learn different thing, but if they launch same thing, we also launch the same thing, but in a different way. It's a vast different as well. So I love about it. And so yeah, there are the resources as I talk about. So this was at here. So thank you for the class, and it was great to um, gain knowledge under your Professor Heinz. It was a great collaboration with you too, and I love to be share my thoughts about you, and it was a great class. I totally agree, and it's pleasure to be here with you in the same class. And thank you so much, Professor. Okay.